What is ClickBank and how does it work? You need to know that the ClickBank is the world's largest online provider of digital products. And you can sell other people's products legally as an affiliate and earn up to 75% commission. You can choose on ClickBank, you can choose from hundreds of different digital products to promote. And those products can be in form of softwares, videos, tutorials, ebooks, and so many other digital products you can find on ClickBank. Then the ClickBank pays you when someone purchased from your affiliate link, and they send your earnings every 2 weeks. So let me show you the platform. This is the ClickBank platform. This is where you promote digital products. You can sell as a vendor and have affiliates promote your product. But this course is mainly for affiliates, how to promote other people's product without having to make the product yourself, and without having to go to the extent of stressing yourself in making the product, sales letter, and the whole thing. So all you need to do is come here on ClickBank, find a product related to your niche and promote. And when someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission from it. So there are thousands of products you can promote here on the ClickBank. Products under different categories: health, education, marketing, business, relationships, and every other thing, so many other products you can find here on ClickBank. So I started my online business as an affiliate, working here on ClickBank, promoting products on ClickBank. All you need to do, pick products, promote, and earn money. That is it. So that is what you should understand. It's very easy. It's very simple. Affiliate marketing is very sweet.